What's up, people? It's like 3 in the morning. I'm about to put some new songs down for you, but unfortunately, I have this slight problem that I can't seem to get rid of. Some of you may know it as the hiccups. It's becoming a problem. So, as soon as I get rid of these, I'll be putting down some new tracks. Whatever the fuck that is. Any suggestions? Let me know, because it's getting really, really annoying trying to record a song with the hiccups. And I just don't know what to do. Oh, that hurt. Don't smoke cigarettes when you have the hiccups. Bad idea. I'll get back to you later.